This is a simple free LLMs.txt file generator. This is the new requirement by Google. So if you work for SEO, so I don't need to explain about LLMs earning of this website. So here is the in the href traffic checker, the traffic value is more than 20,000 and the traffic is 10K because this is a new topic. I mean, no one is talking about this topic. So this is very new keyword. So if you work on this keyword or LMS.txt file generator or LMS file generator, so on, and you can easily compete the market. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this kind of website easily with two methods. One is the Lovable and second is the Claude AI. So here we start with the Lovable, and here you just need to select here plan instead of build, and here you just need to paste this prompt is provided into the description, so you can just copy and paste here and click on this button. After a process of few seconds, you can see this is my prompt and here is the plan that has been going to approve. So this is the structure of that lms.txt file, and this will be what. So I just say approve, and now it's going to create an amazing website for us that don't need to code. I mean, you don't need to code. This will create an amazing website for us. Now you can see this is ready for us. So for example, now we are going to test a URL here. So I just click on this, and yes, this has been created. So this is the txt file has been created. You can just copy or download directly. So this is working. So if you click on publish, so here in the URL I say, so I just name it free LLMs generator dot lovable.app. You can also add your own custom domain here by clicking here. So you can just click here, and this is the URL has been created. Keep in mind the Lovable give you 5 credits for free, so that's why I use the Lovable all times. So here I just click on continue and click on continue, and here you can just write the description here, so it will be auto generated also. So I just click on continue and click on publish. Now this has been published, so we'll review this on live website. Now you can see this has been generated, so I just copy this, go here and check this on live browser, is it working exactly or not. So now you can see this is the page, and here if you copy the URL, for example I just copied the URL of this website to generate, and here I just paste here, click on generate. You can see this has been generated, and if you click on download, okay, this has been downloaded. If you click here, you can see this is working amazingly. If you click on copy, you can also copy the txt file data. Okay, now you can see this has been created amazingly, and if you go here back, there is an amazing feature included into the Lovable. You can see review SEO tab. So in this tab, you can easily review your SEO status for the page that you have created with Lovable. So you can just click on review SEO to review the SEO status of our website. So this is very amazing feature that has been included by. Now you can see heading levels are skipped on the homepage Google Search Console. I have already created the video how you can set up the Google Search Console for the Lovable. Also I have created how you can create the sitemap. So all the video links are provided into the description. So here is the homepage title is slightly too long and so on. So I just fix this one. So I just click on try to fix heading levels on the home page, because h1 h2 h3 should be in the level. So this fix can improve our SEO, and then we will fix these two, and these two will be remain because we need to set up the Google Search Console and the sitemap. Now you can see the heading level issue is also fixed. Now homepage title is slightly too long, so the homepage title generate LMS.txt for free any website. So I think this is fit for free, so this is good, so I don't want to fix this. Okay, so there is the gravel rule need attention. So I just say try to fix that because the doorboards.txt should be here. So I just click on try to fix because this is very important. Now the another one is the add guided on the LLMs.txt. This is also needed by for this website as well. So here I just say improve content. So we can improve the content to have this done. Okay, so if you understand, the LLMS is the new update by the Google. So this is very important as the robots.txt or other things are very important for us. So now the sitemap need attention. This is another issue. So you just need to click on try to fix. So this is be one by one. So we are going to fix all the SE issues one by one. So this will also fix the sitemap issue. And then lastly, I will also let you know how you can set up automatically Google Search Console. So you can see the only one fix is need that Google Search Console. For that, we go back into the Lovable, and here in the Lovable, on the left side bar, you will see the connectors, and in the connectors, you just need to search for Search Console. So for the Search Console, you will see Google Search Console, and you just need to click on Google Search Console. This is enabled, and here we need to add our connection. For example, we need to connect our search console here. So I just click on add connection, and here you can see here is the advanced settings. So we need to do that. So here I just click on connect, and here you can see it's asking for the login. So I just click on our Google account that we need to connect with. For example, this is the searchable. Okay, so I just click on select all. So here I just click on continue. So what it will do, it will connect our Google Search Console with the Lovable. You can see this has been connected. You can see this has been connected. So I just click on here and we go back, and here you can see now what we can do. We can just click on try to fix. So if we will fix that, it will automatically connect with our Google Search Console. So I will just click on try to fix. Now you can see there they have found a one connector. We recently connected our Google Search Console with this. So here just click on link project. So this project will be automatically connected with our Search Console. Now the next step, publish to the meta tag goes live, then reply, verify, and I will complete the ownership verification. So I just click on publish to apply, and I just click on update. So what it will update, I mean after updating, the metadata is will be updated for this website for the Google Search Console. Now it has been updated, and here you can see they are asking if you can see here, click on verify. So verify the data. So I just copy and paste here verify, and it will verify our Google tag. Now it's saying verified the ownership. Okay, so this has been done. Everything has been done for this. If you go here in the search console, so here you can see the free LMS generator .lovable.app has been added here automatically. You can see this has been added. So this is how it works. Okay, so I will go back. This is fully SEO optimized now, and this is working amazingly. So now what the next is, we are going to create the same one with the Cloud AI. So I will just go here in the cloud.ai. So simply we will copy and paste this prompt as we used for the Lovable. So this prompt is same, but we will make some basic changes in this prompt, and then we will be ready for our WordPress as well. So here this should be, so here I have added one line that it should be inline code that we can copy and paste directly into Elementor HTML widget. So this will create an amazing page for us, and then we can use it into our WordPress website directly. Now you can see it has been created in the Claude code. So this is an amazing layout. So I just click on copy. So this HTML code has been copied. I'll go back into the Elementor editor, and here I just search for HTML widgets. For example, this one is the HTML widget. I just drag and drop here, and in the HTML I just paste the code that has been provided by the Claude. So you can see this complete code has been added. So without any editing, we don't need to do anything. So you just need to click on publish, and here you can review the live URL. So here is the live version of this page. So here, if we add any page, for example, we are going to test it. So I will just paste the URL of the website and click on generate. So it's fetching the website. I mean, it will take the time because it's just direct HTML. So that's why it can take a minute or 2 minutes, but this is still working. So if you see any error here, you can just go back here. For example, here is the failed to fetch. You can just say here, hi, this is giving this error. For example, this error failed to fetch. You can just copy this error and paste here. So it will give you this respond. So there it will respond you with the fixes. So you can just again copy the HTML code and paste into the HTML again here. So this is how you can create with the Cloud AI and the Cloud design or Cloud code, and here you can create with the Lovable. So I have provided two methods to you, so you can use any reliable method for you that fit for you, that's free for you. So keep in watching my videos and subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and also comment below, because the people that watch the full videos does not comment, that does not viral my videos.